Corinthians 1:4. 2 Corinthians 1:4. Look at me, please. It says, who comforted us in all our tribulation. Is that in your Bible? That we may be able to comfort them which are in any trouble by the comfort wherein we ourselves are comforted of God. When you go through a process, the day you see somebody going through it, you can draw from your experience and say, I have been there. Man of God, don't worry. Apostle, I give so much to my members. I love them with all my heart and they don't appreciate me. And then the man can say, let me tell you a story. In 1961 or 1971, I remember having preached. They beat me and drove me out of one village, and you are listening and learning and you are drawing strength from it. Can I tell you, you are not a true mentor if you don't have stories. What becomes the basis of your teaching? It is not only principles. They say the secret of great men is hidden in their stories. So God is giving you stories today. Sometimes I share the bits of my experiences that I share, and I almost relieve them as I'm sharing them and nodding my head. I'm saying how time flies. Who would have known that those seasons were only preparing me for these days? And who knows the days now, all the seasons that I'm in now, only God knows what is preparing me for. Can I tell you the truth? You must learn to laugh when the law of process is at work in your life. Rejoice even when you do not understand God, because you are drawing a story. How else will you be able to help people, help young people to prosper, if you yourself have not tasted of poverty and all of that? Now you can tell them, I know what it means to be 10 years without a job. I know what it means. Let me tell you this. What looks like the basis for shame in your life today will become what the nations will come to honor you for. There are times in your life where a call will be made over your destiny, but the requirement to climb that table of greatness is who has a scar in his hand. Anybody who does not have a scar, they will tell you, sorry, you are not allowed. So you may be going through things today. The scar that God is allowing you to have has monetary value. It has honor value. Go through it with grace. As a man of God, tomorrow, if you are able to teach people and God honors you and gives you a global ministry, when a young man comes and says, sir, I'm in debt, I'm not able to do ministry well, you smile, because it's not only memory verses you have memories. You can draw from it and say, I know what to tell you. Believe me, I know what to tell you. And then you begin to give the person stories. Today people come and they meet me and they say, Apostle, I am owing my life. I tell them, relax please, have you eaten? No, you don't know that. Have you eaten? This man talking to you as I know what it means to be under financial pressure, so that we can comfort others with the same comfort. Do not waste your pain. There is a crown that your pain today will put on your head. My question for you as we wrap up tonight's teaching is, can God count on you? Are you going to join the many who have disappointed God and disappointed destiny? Or are you going to make up your mind